Are you in need of a mortgage? Guess what? Volunteer Home Mortgage is here for you 7 days a week. Whether you're in Tennessee, Georgia, Florida, or even beyond that, Jerry and her expert team are ready to help you out with your purchases, refinances, and so much more. Don't wait. Call them today, 865-238-7500, or visit them online at volunteerhomemortgage.com. All right, we sure hope you have a great day today. We start the morning off with temperatures in the 50s. Remember, we talked yesterday how humidity dew points starting to increase a little bit with a southerly flow in the atmosphere. And that's going to give us milder morning temperatures this morning. And it's also going to give us warmer weather throughout the day today. By the way, temperatures this morning are trending about where we were yesterday, maybe a couple of degrees warmer in some locations. By lunchtime, we're at 73, 80 by 3, 81 degrees by 5, and 77 by 8 o'clock here tonight. Beautiful sunshine. It's really going to turn out to be a gorgeous day. And hopefully you had a chance to get out and enjoy the weather this weekend. Sunday, yesterday, was amazing. Rain chances start to ramp up, though, as we get into our Tuesday. Tuesday, not a ton of activity. We'll see a little bit more on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, though, a cold front's approaching the area, and that's going to elevate our rain chances. Behind that cold front, though, drier weather conditions for our weekend and beautiful weather for Saturday and Sunday as well. If you got any friends and family up in the upper Midwest, give a phone call. Big risk for severe weather is going to continue to ramp up throughout the day today. That's going to shift its way a little bit further to the south and east across the Ohio Valley. Does not include us necessarily here at East Tennessee, but does include our neighbors to the north into Kentucky with a level 1 risk Tuesday into Wednesday. And that's final boundary is going to kind of stall out to our north there. So high pressure shifts off to the mid-Atlantic. Southerly flow taking shape in the atmosphere. Cold front's going to be swinging its way in from the north and northwest. We'll stop the clock as we get into our Tuesday night. There's those showers and thunderstorms mainly to our north and that risk for strong to severe thunderstorms there. But watch this. Some of that energy may move its way through East Tennessee late Tuesday, right there into early Wednesday morning. And then through the day on Wednesday, we'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms. We're in the very warm sector of a mid-latitude cyclone. Low pressure system and another cold front's going to be off to our south and southwest. That's going to shift its way into the area as we get into our Thursday and Friday. And that's going to bring us elevated rain chances. Right now, we're looking at the potential of about a half an inch of rainfall here locally when all is said and done here through the next 5 to 7 days. Well, really just the next 5 days because, again, as we get into the upcoming weekend, drier weather is on the way. Not just drier weather. So let me paint a picture here for a second. Remember yesterday how, it was warm if you were going to be in the direct sunlight because temperatures were in the 70s. But humidity is going to be increasing this week, and that's what's going to lead us to showers and thunderstorms. However, as that cold front comes through Friday, it's going to drop our humidity levels once again as we get into the upcoming weekend, and that's going to make it feel so much more comfortable. A beautiful weekend is in store. So let's recap with your 7-day forecast. We'll go 80s today, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. Warmer today, dry, isolated storms on Tuesday, a few scattered showers and thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, with numerous storms expected on Friday. Temperatures come on down, dew points fall, temperatures drop to those seasonal averages for Saturday and Sunday, making for a picture-perfect weekend ahead. It's going to be so nice. And listen, we only have 5 days to get there. Hey, by the way, do you have the East Tennessee Weather app? Are you ready to track these showers and thunderstorms this week? If not, you should download it today. Scan that QR code to the bottom right-hand side of the screen. East Tennessee Weather is all weather locally, and the app travels wherever you go. By the way, I'm also on Roku TV, Amazon Fire, and YouTube. We sure hope you have a great day.